welcome aboard the Regal 2665, listed for sale with Boatshed Isle of Wight. And we are just going to step inboard. You can see that cockpit enclosure, left that weather behind. Cockpit area, table, seating, engine access underneath, the bar sink, storage underneath, to the helm, great visibility, everything nicely laid out. Good size companionway hatch, and then down below, so the galley on the port side, into the saloon. Again, nice and bright and clean. Heads. And then aft cabin. You can see it's a good sized berth under there. There's storage at the end, and nice and light and bright. Back through the cockpit and back where we started from. If you'd like more information, please go to www.boatshedoisleofwight.com.